Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset to your Xbox Series X, S or Xbox One console. First, take the wireless USB transmitter that came with your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset. This transmitter allows the headset to connect wirelessly to your Xbox. Plug the transmitter into an open USB port on the front or back of your Xbox console. Next, grab your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset. Press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds until the headset turns on. You should see a light come on and you may hear a voice prompt letting you know the headset is powered up. Once the headset is on and the USB transmitter is plugged into the Xbox, the headset should automatically connect. You do not need to press any pairing buttons. Wait a few seconds while the headset and transmitter link together. During this time, you may see a blinking light. When the light becomes steady, the connection is complete. After the headset is connected, test the audio by starting a game or opening an app on your Xbox. Adjust the volume using the controls on the headset. Speak into the microphone to confirm voice chat is working properly. If something does not sound right, double check that the headset is charged and selected as the audio device on your Xbox. Thanks for watching.